So ever since I started a successful online business, people always ask me, Marius, what's the best business to start? And my answer is always the same. I ask them, do you have 10,000 to invest? And if the answer is no, my answer is simple. Affiliate marketing. It's one of the best business models out there. Better than drop shipping, Facebook ad agencies, e-commerce. And why do I say that? It's simple. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to answer customer queries, carry stock, ship orders, track orders, even take credit card payments. All that you are left to do is focus on one thing and one thing alone. That is drive traffic and earn commissions. Now, what I've realized over the past couple of years is there's only one thing that separates the 2% that really crush it in affiliate marketing and those who don't. Now, somewhere around this video is a button. Click on that button. I would like to show you that one thing that separates the guys that crush it and the guys that just keep flopping around. No, I'm not selling a course. It's not some affiliate marketing course. I just want to show you that one thing. That one thing only. It's actually very interesting, easy to follow, and simple to implement. It's not very time consuming. It'll only take you a couple of minutes to make up your mind if this is for you or not. So click on that button.